Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with over 20 engineering technology programs across the state of Florida. Today, we're taking you inside St. Petersburg College, located in Pinellas County, Florida, and one of the largest industrial sectors in the state, servicing industries such as aerospace, life science, advanced manufacturing, robotics, and many more.
Hi, I'm Sid Martin. I'm the Program Director for Engineering Technology at St. Petersburg College. In engineering technology, there are many different areas that an individual could study. So one area could be CAD, another area might be electronics. And so what we had found is that industry was asking for individuals who understood how equipment worked on the manufacturing floor that was more on the automation side.
Hi, I'm Dean Bartles, CEO of the Manufacturing Technology Deployment Group based in Clearwater, Florida. So manufacturing is desperate to find ways to still be able to increase their efficiencies and increase their output with fewer workers simply because there aren't enough workers available.
What do these engineering technicians do and what do we call them? And what we're finding is it falls under one umbrella that we're calling automation or automation engineering technologist. The automation technician has the ability to take that blue wire or that computer that is on the edge of the informational technology network, well, connect it to the manufacturing floor.
I'm Andres Cárdenas. I'm faculty here in engineering technology and I teach electronics and mechatronics. The companies here in Florida are small companies, but we also have bigger companies. Both of them, small companies and large companies, utilize what we say automation, right? You want a Coca-Cola company that puts bottles and then you have to fill them, the process is automated.
I want to say 3 million projected vacancies by 2030. So there's this huge shortage of skilled labor that we desperately need to address.
The big advantage in the state of Florida is that there is a 4-year program that's available that's almost completely online. The nice thing about is you can get your AS, you can then go for your BS and complete that online and have it be part of an ABET accredited degree. There's a complete pathway from initially getting certificates to getting the AS degree to going on to the BS degree, which then allows you to be licensed if that's what you decide to do.
These are things that weren't available when I went to school, 40 years ago, but that's why you have to always be learning. You have to always be looking for ways to figure out how you can sharpen the tools, and these programs that the colleges are offering are fantastic to do that.
To see how St. Petersburg College can get your career in engineering technology kicked off, visit spcollege.edu. And to learn more about engineering technology education and manufacturing in Florida, visit flate.org. Thank you for joining us today.